Hello guys, this is Adrian Be Free. Welcome to Time Hackers Lab, the lab where we save your most precious asset, your time. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you what I found out, and it actually allowed me to make more than $200 without even knowing how to code. Okay, so I'm using Cursor. This app has basically changed everything because I can ask it questions about exactly a snippet of code, it can fix that, and it's just mind blowing, right? I didn't know how to code, and I basically took an Upwork job and I automated this. If you look here, everything like it gets triggered instantly, it says success and it gets removed, yeah? And then it's sending these emails because we are developing this for a company, SEO company, and basically it's just amazing, man. I mean, this app Cursor has allowed me to basically save so much time and learn meanwhile I'm doing this, right? Because it always has in mind the exact code that you're like working with, so it doesn't lose the context, and you don't need to go into cloud and like uh, send your what is it called, put your code here and then and then the formats gets messed up. This like the best, the absolute best. Um, just for fun, let's do. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna say just for fun so you can see. Um, okay, now check the range. No, check the button. There's no button, but let's just say that there's a button. If you look here, this is a button, right? So we wanted to check this first. Let's do a full chat. I want you to check cell B8. If it's off, I don't want you to run the rest of the code. Then I want you to make a variable which stores which emails have been sent to already from row 12 to 29, and if they have already been sent once, don't send again. Also, I'd like you to log every time we send an email. I mean, this is quite a lot of like changes, but just look at this. It makes the code, and it actually makes sense. You know, I have a ready code which I'll show you very soon, but yeah, and it tells you also like what changes were made, and it allows you to learn and track. Yeah. So if we apply this, let's just click yes. So let's see. Here I'm looking for. So here's a loop. Basically, we're gonna go through each line here. So then, if it has some tasks remaining, it should send an email, right? And yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. It just it's amazing. You know, it's hard for me to keep track now because it made like 3, 4 changes, but and that's what I love about this because it doesn't like redo the whole code if you don't ask it to. You can just ask it to here. Let's say I want you to check not only F but F through J, F through S columns, and instead of empty, I want to check if they are exactly Lubov, which means love in Russian. Okay, so now it will make the edits here. Look at this. So it's gonna, instead of just checking F, it's gonna check, look here, it's gonna check F, G, H, I, J, K until S, and then it's gonna make sure that it was Lubov, not just an empty cell, because here we were saying if it's not an empty cell, then send an email. So I just showed you a little bit of what this can do, and I've already done this project for the client. It's almost finished in the app scripts. So now we just have to run it, and the cursor has made me just love programming, because now I'm not worrying about syntax. I'm not worrying about like knowing different like functions. It knows which functions to pull, and it knows, like I was trying to troubleshoot many times, and it understands it, and it troubleshoots in less than 5 or 6 steps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a new coder like me, this is your best bet. This is the best, literally the best, and it's free. I mean, it's fucking crazy that you can have this for free. You can do so much. So good luck. Have a good day. Bye.